Yeah, me chacha mo for maybe a moshabia. All right, if you are Brady, nkomo kakra bi ndi. Nsemra robbery case bi esi wakra enam soma a policeman na oti bullion van. We cry bullion van a van na just a bullion van kanisa ehwe nenkwa na fi bystander bi so ehwe nenkwa. First of all, abusuya o mahwe o madehye nyina no the policeman the bystander no nyamemfa o mkransi reho owudie enim so obi abewudie, but sometimes sa untimely deaths ne the way a manner sabi obi a wo ye waduma ama wonsa akowa no in line of duty. Joyce Mitchell na we free mu no reho time their humble souls rest in perfect peace, and I condolences to the families. Omuja wechi reho pa se akọ se de etisa obi a okoye na dwuma na akromfo remfo edi omaruka se reho na tembia Ghana on se makase criminal cases no fan robbery ne niama we no eba fididado bia wa follow me achibia no obehu se de me kan me se sa niama no be crime has no color. So I just say Roberts we no omunim say we MPP and I NDC and I hwan. But I say me ba the problems na ewo mu no ene ye hwe ne aka say de be ya next time no ye ebinsi biu abotiri anomaiti say robbery case bi ana bibi sensia. You won't see say everybody will be can on a there blame game ye be blame we, but the baby actually no yentumi nya solution to the problem. Obi anu a say crime there yentumi nto ase ekura even oba Holland ha say they don't lack police and lack amenities in any manema na say the Ghana say yentumi fan to say Ghana police and Holland police in difference no margin ne so if equipment kura ne niam no nyame se yanka no kware aban bia ba wo ye na fam di, but in new standard na sabi ubetumi di atoto sabi police in America or police in ai na so no say issue bi si wa ha no ma omu nyina no eba omu say crime fighting no a collective ideas o ene share if it's a sabi police for nko amuntimi fight crimes ena government nko antimi fight it ye nyina no ene eba on board ne a kire ya adwen regardless of how the police are equipped or not. Yes, Ghana, yeshemwa, the police no, ye equipped to the standard that sebe, as you do because the police here they are born home by. Now so crime there, and found say why equip police. So be so be the bonia, boneno, bonne for etino, a coin be out befast or the baby bonino bedi. But here my Ghana, BBC is here all the time. The problem that we have, they say, we will start politicizing it. Now, I tell my no ye nyina ye nim nyansa. Asema ye very sensitive na. Say ye tenase. Na ye hu kwan ya be fa so said ye be ya de a asi no. E wo mu say robbery de. Untimi engase wuto ase na ebom you will curb it. So ye be curb. If you say de bia me come say citizens no mo na mo ka ho a e betumi aboa police fo ama o mako robbery cases. So tu kwan ba abrochi a say incident this year, they rely on the citizens for information. So as I say, we say Ghana, yes, police in me or bad nota. Say a conversation big crowd now with information. Kwa where would they come? A bit me amba say a bit weird, you know. Now crown life crack wako turn danger. But all the time, there's a silly say, it was say, as say ba politicization of that issue, no. And fire and cover, you say, ya politicizing, sir, the BR and say, NDC in the war, opposition, MPP in the war by moi, and Yaka, and a Ghana, we are sitting on a time board. Ghana is not safe. That be chrono coso, fine. Robbery cases, bear 1 week, ya cases, reported cases of robbery, AIMCC, but, and one say, naturally say the country as a whole, Minano, and see, we say, Utukwamba, Krumanum, on every week you better say abo be two every week you say sa daylight robbery a course wo Ghana yi aha no mutimi ye bia wiakete with sophisticated police for wo yi nyina wiakete bitimi si aha no so but you see wa ha no ma ede na omo ye omo try as much as possible omo give information no ye de ba betu TV so ye the pictures of omo yes ano ebeto na omo ye tori we can investigation no omo tori investigation so what I say said ye be ya omo be hu enkofo ko ba Ghana de I to say ye nyina no nim nyansa ntasemba bibia ya ban yes aban na said so obebo man ba no hu ban de but enye said crime we na esi no minu ni enu nyina we are at risk and we all have to help said ye be ya ebekebo crime no so you nim say your police ni bi no enye omu nyina some of them are corrupt and some of these robberies na ekoso no ebetumi abakra na be hu say ammunition so omo de koni ade no some of the policemen no kra ni bi and a boa robbery no man koso yes what I say now so no ni nyina no ye citizens information I de beko regardless of how corrupt some of them are no ye nyina no yes collectively majority of us no ye bam na say ye ye betumi solve this robbery cases bibiri ahai robbery bitimi si sa bullion van no enso so ho asem no eno ya another way. If it's a van line, I say and can quite use no and yet secured. And Tinami, they say police Nankasaba out to say you know, banks no, Sabi is come with Duma, Matisa banks and a say, and a neboy de no de say Sabi. Won't to me emfa any pankwa and to two assessor. What I say, you can't undermine crofo security, my banks and case, neboy de, Dabi, so secure, Zabullion van, a woman say. Said the obey be a high bullion van they have secure, but they rob them sometimes. But sometimes because of say van nankasa secure the nintino. So omo try grass or mobile robu or money macrana. Sometimes no any pankwa ACV. Omo timi robubi ewa hamin kasa buti William Vani ewa highway swa a convoy me attack. But it's say a well secure bullion van. Then you say just pick up untino. People will not lose their life. So in Tigana. Sani man mummy and che omo I operative volume vans no if it this time ekono so the IGP aka no say banks no operative volume van and I say omo no ya mandate to operate volume vans no omo make sure say omo pet near be secure to secure the lives of personnel na e wo ha kra no volume vans ni bebre no unless the you know e be e kwa motoki be di nanim near the akọ no ebinum wo ho no mo a sebe omo ewo mu ni security people omo nye police de me hu ha agrofo omo ye security people omo de twi volume vans na sebe omo di sika no kọ banks na niam no security people ene yes ade no so wonti no but ye secure wo volume van na won say yes this is quality volume van well secured bulletproof any bibia. So at that, omo aye team no obi ene wo she bulletproof vest there. If it's a car nankasa no, bullet you secure car no. It omo a team wo omo ye adwuma no. So it's sanity. Well, na sente mo ba Holland anoma. Na omo ye say ATM machines no. Ya na nkofo explode omo the bomb explosive omo plant explosive wo ho a na explode na sika no apie na abegu abonten. Na nkofo na omo wie bi ni ade. It you know, Oma take another measures as I say the new ATM machines. Oma yi baby everybody debris, but new ones now Oma you know, almost well secured. As I say, sir, explosive now. And before the show, Omo explode. Who say ATM machine? Yeah, they shut them. It almost explode. My dining board no matter machine or no more deco. That was Corona and there cost Holland Hanum. It you know it will be a Honoma and Chibi, but it will be Chibi. Well, you know. I think it's a crime of the ultimate to us here. You can curb it. So, you know, I think it's all the security apparatus, you know, and sorry, you know, man, also. Now, there were some resources, you know, yen from home, no more fanya juma. Now, minimum some of the policemen, security personnel, no munina na sabi, almost 100%, but at least some majority, do one a woman and free young citizens, you know. And as some so bad, you find your politics all the time. Said you blame game, sir. Who said Robbie Case, your man penny could for buy okaya emri bi ekroso na blame game ekusi san eno na Professor Mills ba Mahama ba na Nanado abaya robbery cases ikoi eti blame game no de said the medical nka enkusi we da bia meka wo be blame ye nyina your life is at risk hwe police ni a wasori a wo koneduma ye ni abaye a wo ton ne ma wo kwan wi what I say omo sorry a mo kope bibia di police ni koye na dwuma hu onye boni bia e na hwe eti no wodi ahwere na nkwa just like that eti na I think say enema ye de tutu akwan mu a it will save lives no I think say there's a need to take it serious I beboa na blame game ne sebe Ghana asemba everybody is sensible no eno no emfa solution bi ama ye be blame ye ho akasa saa na sebe niema ye niema we have to hold the people now your mandate to accountable no they will not do it na afi still and we are back to square one na de na ekoso aha ade ba ko amehu abuchiri ni say assembly say si na serious like robbery case say there was a time Holland they have say bullion bullion vans no omo security company you know omo headquarters akonfo ready ho enya asem ketwa big time but the same citizens now na boa police for with credible information until some of them were arrested and omo de ebimako jina court sana ye no man ne yakwanim but Ghana de ba isan your politics any neamanti no say we na wo position yeah country is not safe country is this now you dramatizing yema so intino na ama asem na nkasa yesi eka na ye beto yi no ye nka na asem ne konkon into all the time then the problem still exists well your problem intino said once again condolences to the family o ma hwere o madofo nyankopon ensure mo de minim say there's nothing that will bring back their lost ones and I say their loved ones now who have lost their lives, especially the young police officer. There's nothing. Said yes, say any mistake be anything that happen, we learn from it. Into the police authority, any government, what I say, NFA, yen or my man also. There are more to learn about it. So now yen go forward with information, regardless of said the other bekwa yen fanko. If it's a yen ya bebo, if it's a yen any yen your life at stake. If it's a crime there, in him color, crime in any political color, crime in him will be a bit me out to be a said the out to him enemy. Once again, media humble soul, rest in peace. Namishamu.